Still quoting document print jobs on spreadsheets? And chasing page counts manually? There's a smarter way. Meet OnPrintShop's document printing solution, built to automate everything, from upload to order. Customers can upload any document from PDF, report, booklet to legal files. The system instantly detects page count without any manual input. OnPrintShop's real-time preview makes it easy for your customers to see exactly what they're printing, be it quickly checking the binding options, adding custom tabs on pages, choosing the right covers, and reviewing every single page of document in detail. OnPrintShop's document printing solutions help you make changes instantly, adjust settings on the spot, and finalize the file with confidence. Hence, zero surprises at pickup. For every configuration change, be it color pages, duplex, paper, or finish, prices are updated instantly. You get accurate quotes every time, plus full front and back cover personalization in minutes, not hours. Printers can now offer a wide range of document products to both retail and corporate clients, from everyday copies to booklets, reports, and legal documents. And with automated production, print-ready files flow directly into your workflow, saving time and reducing manual effort. Explore OnPrintShop's document printing solution now. Less manual work, more orders, happier customers. Book your free demo today with us at onprintshop.com.